I think the thing that makes us different is, for one thing, we are family operated. We've been in business for 15 years, and because of that long tenure, we know what we're doing.
When a customer calls our office, they can expect to have professional service. That's important to us.
It's very rare to find that in a cleaning company. We do everything from high-rise window cleaning to house window cleaning. We do everything from industrial cleaning, from factories, and of course construction cleaning and things of that nature. But we also clean houses as well.
The thing that makes me most proud of B&B Cleaning Company is working with and working like a family. We got great people.
You know, for many cleaning companies out there, you might call and get an answer machine, but when you call us, you'll get direct customer service. Well, we're not trying to be the cheapest. We're just trying to be the best.
Commercially, we serve all of Kentucky and northern Tennessee, and residentially, we cover the Bowling Green, Kentucky area. What keeps our customers coming back is primarily our customer service. It's what people expect, it's what people want, and that's what we deliver.